Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do a pure technical analysis of US indexes, commodities and stocks. Yesterday I have uploaded a video on outlook of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, gold, silver and other commodities for this week. Today we are going to do analysis of these 20 stocks, which I think they are they will give a potential upside from the levels which we are going to discuss today. So before we do analysis on these stocks, I would like you all to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications on all future videos which I am going to post here. And friends, remember, now the stocks which we are going to discuss, we really need to wait for the levels which we are going to discuss. Once stock starts trading above those levels, then we should buy and we should book the profit when the target level reach. Okay, so the first stock which we are going to discuss is Apple. For the Apple, I have seen one important point is breakout on the weekly chart. If you see on the weekly chart, Apple has given a breakout. Okay, but the volume is not that great, but still the breakout is breakout. On the day chart, if you see here, if you have, uh, if you have taken my technical analysis course, then you must realize that this is a flat pattern on the daily time frame. Now you see here, there was a non-stop upside movement and then the stock traded in this range and then it gave a breakout, right? So now the targets for this stock are quite higher. You won't believe the target would be around almost 20 to $25 upside from here. So uh, Apple is good to buy in any decline, okay? And the stop loss for this stock would be 145 on closing basis, and the target should be around 170 plus. Now this is the positional target, and once it starts trading above 155, then definitely the upside will come in the full speed. The next stock here we have is Airbnb. So here if you see Airbnb has given a breakout on a weekly chart. I'm sorry. Airbnb is trading in this channel in weekly chart, and if you see on the day chart, it has given a breakout, but after breakout, it retraced. Now for Airbnb, the next buy level would be above $162. Once it starts trading and sustaining above $162, then first target would be almost $170, and the stop loss for this trade would be near around $150. So we really need to watch for the 162 levels to cross. Once it's crossed that level, then buy should initiated. Now it should stay above $162 at least for 1 hour. Now the next stock here we have is Autodesk. Now for Autodesk, you see here there was a correction in this stock, and that correction was almost 17%. Now I am expecting a pullback in this stock. Okay, and that pullback will be from uh, I can see a good support around 280 levels, and the first target I see here should be around 300. So $280 is a strong support for this stock at this point of time. The first target should be around 300, and once it's sustained above 300, then second target is 310. Next stock here we have is Boeing. If you see here, Boeing has a good support zone between 205 to 215. So this is the support zone for the Boeing. One can buy Boeing in this range and hold this stock for the minimum target of 230, and the stop loss should be below $200. The next stock we have is Baba. Now for the Baba, you can see here, Baba has a very good weekly support around $149. Now you see here, it has created a morning star pattern on the weekly chart, and high probability that in coming weeks this stock can go around $192. The stop loss should be below 149. Next stock we have is Coin. So Coin has given a wedge pattern breakout, right? But to initiate a long in a coin, we should wait it to cross 282 levels. Once it starts trading and sustaining above $282, the first target should be around 305. And once it starts trading and closing above 305, then the target would be open. The target would be bigger, and that would be almost around to 320 and 350 levels. And the support for this stock would be around 255. Next stock is this Coupa software. Now here you can see there is a very nice breakout the stock has given. If you see on the weekly chart, there is a breakout on the weekly chart as well. And the stock has earning on 8th of September, and the stock has given closing of 261. Now the stock has good support around 242 levels. Once the stock starts trading above 270, the first target would be 280, the second target would be 290, and the third target would be 310. So remember friends, we need to add this stock once it starts trading above 270. The stop loss for this stock is quite below, and that is around 241. So one should take this into consideration for the risk and reward ratio. Now the next stock is Dropbox. in the Dropbox, few weeks back I mentioned that it is having a pattern of rounding bottom. Now the consolidation is for last almost 3 years. So the stock has a very strong resistance around 33 levels. Okay. So once this stock starts trading above 33, okay, and sustain above that, then the target is very big. The target would be very big, and that target would be nothing but this range. So this range is almost $18-20 from here. So the stock will go around $50 from here minimum. Now this is the positional target. So this target would be would reach from 6 months to 1 year. So one should take that period into the consideration. So this stock would be for the long-term investment once it starts trading and sustaining above $33. The next stock here we have is Docu. Now, friends, the next important stock is Docu. Now, for the Docu, you can see here there was a very good breakout on this stock. Right now, pre-opening, you are seeing it's around 311.70. I am recommending a buy in this stock. You can see this is a clear flag pattern breakout, and the target would be big. The target would be around, you can see here, from this point, from the price range of uh, from this price range of, let's see here, price range of here, you can see almost $100 upside from here. So this would be a good positional long from 310 to almost $400, 25% upside. This would be a medium term target for this stock. Now remember, for this stock, the stop loss would be somewhere around $280. This would be the stop loss for this position. Now the next stock here we have is DQ. Now for the DQ, you can see here, DQ is trying to give a breakout, okay, on this in this channel. It was in the downtrend. It tried to attempt the first target of 71.5. From $70, it took a U-turn. Now we need to buy this stock once this stock starts trading and sustaining above $64, this range. Once it starts trading and sustaining above this range, then the first target would be $71. Let's see what the weekly chart is saying for this stock. See, it is trying to give a breakout on the weekly chart as well. So once it's comfortably close above $64, then definitely the target would be the 71 would be the first target. The second target would be 80 and third target would be 90. Next stock is Jamia. For Jumia Technologies, you can see the stock is continuously beating down from almost $70 to uh, almost $20 now. So it's almost 75% the stock has uh, gone down, and right now I'm expecting a pullback in this stock. Okay, so this is not an investment but a trading opportunity in this stock. Okay, so I'm expecting once this stocks uh, stay above $21, then I'm looking for the target of $27, so which is almost 20 to 25% minimum from here in coming weeks. So this is the positional target. uh, you can consider it as a swing trade from here. So the The stock has to trade above $21 consecutively to get the target of 26 to $27. And the stop loss for this trade would be around this level. Okay, so this level is, let's see where this level is. This level is almost $17. The stop loss will be $17 and the target would be $27. Next interesting stock we have is Netflix. Now you see the Netflix is has given a clear cut breakout on the weekly chart. Now when one should buy Netflix, right? The very important point we need to see here, once Netflix starts trading above 591, the first long should be initiated here, and that should be with very less quantities. And the second long should be initiated between 560 to 570 zone if there is a pullback. Okay, so these two levels, first would be above 591, second would be around 560 to 570 zones. And remember friends, for this stock, the stop loss would be below $500. The stop loss would be below $500. So before taking this investment or trading decision, check the risk and reward ratio and take your position accordingly. And the targets for this uh, stock would be higher. We can consider it's almost 250 to $300 upside in coming months. So this would be a medium term to long term investment. So from $600, $590, it should be around $850 to $900 is the target for the medium to long term trend. The next stock we have is OTRK. OTRK, I saw one interesting thing here. The OTRK is almost at its all-time low. Okay, and you can see the chart here. Now for the OTRK, I think this would be a kind of, I mean, I would invest the money which I am ready to lose. So for example, this is trading at $12, right? So the stop loss for this position would be below $9, and the targets would be like first target is almost $15 from here, and the second target would be $20 because I think the incoming weeks the stock might go and fill this gap. So I would definitely invest or bet some money on this stock. The next stock we have is PayPal. PayPal, you can see on the weekly chart here, the stock has given a very good closing in last week, and before that there was a morning star pattern after a good fall, and now I'm expecting the stock once it starts trading and sustaining about $290. Okay, and this would be a short-term trade from once it starts trading and sustaining above 290, then the first target is 295 and second target is 300, and the stop loss for this trade would be around 280 levels. And one more important thing is that in coming days, if the stock starts trading above 295, right, and sustain there, okay, then definitely it will try to go towards its all-time high of 310 levels. So this was about PayPal. Next stock is Roku. Roku If you see here on the weekly chart, Roku got beaten down consistently, okay, and uh, I can see investment opportunity in this stock, okay. The first is coming towards 320 levels, this level 320 to 330 levels, and second opportunity will come near $300. If it comes there, then it's a very good buying opportunity. But the first buy should be done between 320 and 330, and second buying should be around 300, right? And the targets would be, the first target would be around 370, the second target would be around 400. The next stock is Snap. If you see, Snap has given a breakout in weekly chart, okay, and now it is consolidating near the breakout levels. So if somebody is already holding this stock, uh, one should hold this stock with the stop loss of $70. And if somebody wants to buy this stock, then fresh position should be initiated uh, near around 70 to 72 zones, right? And the first target for this would be around 78 zones. And then once it starts trading and sustaining above 78, then one should keep the target open, and the target would be bigger. It would be almost 20% up from these levels. That is almost around 95 to 100 levels. So this was for Snap. The next stock we have is Splunk. Splunk has given a breakout on uh, daily chart, and it is trying to go towards the first target of 161. And if somebody wants to take a fresh position in this stock, then one should buy it above 161 once it starts trading and sustaining above that for the first target of 170. If the stock starts going down, then the second buy should be around 151 levels. And the stop loss for this trade should be around 141 on the closing basis. Now the next stock we have is TDOC. TDOC, you can see friends, the stock has beaten down, and uh, this is near weekly lows as well. So from this level, uh, uh, I I recommend a buy from uh, this levels. Like if the stocks comes between 135 to 140 zone, then there should be a first buy initiated, and the second buy should be above $150 for the target of 170 would be the first target, and the second target would be almost around 195. So this is also positional buy position. The next stock here we have is Tesla. Now if you see, Tesla has given a breakout on the weekly chart, and it has still a lot of potential to go up from here. It has given a breakout on weekly as well as on a daily chart. Now Tesla is a buy once it starts trading above 745 levels. Okay, the first target would be around, just a moment, the first target for this stock would be around 770. So there would be a fast movement once it starts trading above 745. The first target would be 770, And once it starts sustaining above that level, then targets will be bigger. The first immediate target would be 800, second target would be 840, and the long term targets would be big from here. Now the last stock here we have is Zoom. So a few days back I mentioned on the uh, Discord channel as well. Zoom has very good support around 270 to 280 zones. If we get this stock near this zone, right now also this stock is good to accumulate. The accumulation zone is from now till 270. The first target would be 330, and once it starts trading and sustaining above that, then the second target would be 360, and the third target would be around this channel's high, that is 400. So I hope friends, this video will help you to take your investment and trading decisions. And in case you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment on this video if you think that I should include some more stocks, or you want some detailed analysis, whatever it may be. uh, Message there, and don't forget to subscribe this to this channel and share with your friends and family so that we all can mint money together. Thank you.